Get your new phone.
Oh no, this thing's gonna have, but it's a Coca-Cola, a new Coca-Cola they made. It's called Y3000. It said that artificial intelligence helped create it.
Yeah, a lot of that AI stuff coming in.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah, pretty soon they'll have y'all out doing stuff that's wrong and you didn't even do it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, there's always a digital mark on that though, somewhere, somehow. Well, it's like you get hackers. You get hackers and they get in and do some kind of work. They always leave their trademark. It doesn't matter because they have to be recognized for their brilliance. So because of their self-ego, they leave a digital mark somewhere that give them away. Never fails. Well, they do it because they're prideful. And if they do get caught,
they don't want to be shown, hey, I did this shit.
Yeah, but you got to prove it. And they've caught on to that stuff. Anyways, I don't know nothing about hacking. I had enough trouble just running a computer and telephone.
Yeah, telephone.
I don't even care. I really don't even care if I ever have a telephone again.
Yeah.
But I've got one, but I don't. And I have it for the ministry.
It's good to have a
calling.
phone, though. I hate not having a phone.
Yeah, well, that's the age of technology we're in. When I was coming up, telephone. You know, pay phones.
Yeah.
That was good if you wanted to make the call.
Well, I got here at the perfect time, bro.
Perfect time. What's going on, Mike? You look tired.
Only a little bit.
Well, where's everybody at?
Oh, okay.
I need to get me one of them cowbells and hang from here and just. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and serve y'all now, and let them come when they come. I got spaghetti and meatballs and some sweet Hawaiian rolls and some green beans and corn, and well, he looks tired. Tired. Oh, yeah, I got something to drink. Hold on. I get started. Y'all need to get something to drink. There's water and flavored waters in here. There's regular waters down there too. And y'all reach in there and get you a drink.
$1,000. She's sick of the dog pound. You need some electrolyte from YouTube watching.
Oh my gosh.
You pull the red tab, it'll start kicking forward. You have to sit. You can push the bottom.
Yeah. Thanks.
You need one.
Fuck. Thank you. Excuse my language. Thank you so much, man. I asked him for a watch last time, so I'd be able to tell time.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, sir.
No problem.
Oh, yeah. Well, you've been aggravating me for a pocket watch. There you go. Huh?
They got Bible scripture on it. Yeah. They're supposed to be pretty good watches.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I just know that he mentioned that they didn't know what time it was out here. And I said, well, did you pull the little red tab?
Oh no, I
Yeah,
didn't.
you pull a little red tab.
Yeah.
It'll
Start shit.
It'll start it. Then all you gotta do is set.
You gotta pick it up, and dial it in.
Lock it latch. He's already got it figured out.
Thank you so much.
Just to ask you.
I'm on the love this.
You good to go?
Michael, you know how to tell time? It ain't
Yeah.
digital now.
Huh?
It ain't digital.
You got some phone on you with the time?
Joey's not here. We killed a deer. With the bow. What's his name? We killed a deer with the bow. Really? Really?
Yeah.
With 3 point. Where's he at? You wanna know where he's at? What, the deer?
Got one ready for somebody. And there's Parmesan cheese and the other stuff there if you need it. Some garlic salt, regular salt and pepper, spices,
Alright, bud.
Cayenne
I don't need
pepper.
you. Get on.
and whatever you need. And then there's some Louisiana cheese.
Yeah, that big one right there. Some hot stuff.
I just made something simple today.
Yes, sir.
But I did it with meatballs in it. It's one thing just to have spaghetti, but you gotta have meatballs in it. How y'all been getting along, all right?
Yes, sir.
One day at a time.
That's it. Get it out now.
Oh, I gotta get you too.
Yeah, I got my wife back there sick.
Oh, gotta get you one too. Yeah, okay. I'll get everybody. Slowly but surely. God didn't make me to work in a restaurant, but I guess
I can get that
back
bag.
at
I can get this bag.
Yes, sir. Go ahead. You see it. That's where I keep them.
Am I right?
I don't care. It don't bother me none.
Unless we don't have no dealings, we don't go.
I'm like this. You know,
I'll put some of this stuff on it.
they're sitting right there. You go right ahead and help yourself. And all the other ones here. I went to the waterfront because I didn't get them for their birthday last time. Remember last Sunday we did birthday? I didn't get to them. And so I went out there and I thought, well, I'll get them before I come out here. And I started walking over there where they were at, and they already had a bunch of trays. Somebody had already bought them food. So I got in the van, just come on back this way. And I said, because I knew they got fed every once in a while.
Right.
And there wasn't no sense in them getting piled up on food, and I've got all y'all to take care of. Because normally I run out of food here.
Right.
And so I was going to hit them because they didn't get their birthday Sunday. And then whatever was left over, I was coming out here. And but I was walking up there because they normally see me when I come in, but they didn't see me this time. And I parked and walked up there. And they had trays all stacked up over there. And I went, okay. I said, thank you, Lord. And I got in there, they didn't see me, and I just come on this way here. And
Yes.
I went there, stopped there, and gave Stacy a tray. And gave Andy his flashlight, because Stacy got hers last time.
Yes, sir.
You got one.
Yes, sir.
I want to make sure I covered. Great, I'm glad you're using it. And that watch, too. I went ahead and I ordered those watches, and I said, you know what? I said, that's a good watch. And Michael had mentioned about not having a watch and know what time it is. And I thought something that you can hang around your neck or clip on your bag or something like that will be good for you. I'm not rolling in money, but at least I try to help as I can.
That's right.
And but I do got I got people that help out with the ministry. They send food, stuff like that, some financial donations are just a blessing that I can go out and do extra. So I'm going to probably wind up having to, because all the years I've been doing it out of my own pocket. And but I think I'm going to have to get some tents and some sleeping bags, because I got people that need it. You needed another one, right?
Oh, yeah, from my wife.
No,
I got silver.
No, I got plasticware.
Yeah, that's right.
I got the rugged stuff. Just wash and reuse. I'm kidding. Oh, you need a bag.
You ain't got that chip, do you?
Chips. Everybody asks about them chips. Yeah, I got chips. Did I? You got Pop-Tart too, didn't you?
No.
You gonna get any Pop-Tart? You don't want no Pop-Tarts.
Oh, yeah, they can get no Pop-Tarts.
I'm sorry.
Hey! You ain't getting another chip for
Dude, you got your silverware in.
Thank you.
Yeah. Did you get plasticware?
I got one on this one, not on this one.
You got it now?
Yes, sir.
Did you get Pop-Tarts?
No, sir.
You're gonna need a bag.
Yes, sir. Let's do this.
You go ahead and do whatever you need to do.
He's gonna need a bag.
Got that. There you go. I also got jalapenos in here if anybody wants some jalapenos.
Yeah. Jalapeno.
I always carry the jalapenos. Tina likes them jalapenos.
Mm-hmm.
I do too.
Hard to beat a good jalapeno with.
Well, you just drink that juice.
Yes.
It's gonna be good on my throat. Where's my little prongy thing at? I came prepared for everything except getting jalapenos out. But that juice, a little bit of green bean juice won't hurt.
No. Stick them right on the side, buddy.
Is that all you want? You want some more?
That's fine.
All right. All right, Michael, I'm getting you fixed up right now.
Yeah, most people are gone today from around here.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, my
Robert and Tina's.
Robert. They
left out Friday and said they was going out of town for the weekend.
All right. That sounds good.
Yeah.
As long as he stays out of trouble.
Yeah.
I wonder how
As long as he goes and has fun.
Yeah.
Enjoys himself for themselves.
Well, I don't want him to get in trouble and Tina be by herself.
Yeah.
That happened before. And when they were over there, and yeah. So he was in jail there for a little while and she was by herself. And that's not good.
No.
That's not good at all. Ooh, there's a meatball. Let's put that on top. Did I give you Pop-Tarts on? I'm sorry. I took them out so they wouldn't get mashed on the bottom. Let me see what else I can get you too. Here, you take this and share in the can. Here, y'all share that. They're some spice bars, cereal spice bars. Supposed to be pretty healthy for you.
They look pretty good. I'll go back here. Check on your mama real quick.
How about Grandpa? Where's he at?
He's back here. Hold on.
I didn't know if he wanted something to eat or not. I'm gonna get your rolls.
I'm surprised he's here. Hey, where'd you get that from?
What? It's my new bike.
It means I can have my white one back. And I can get Robert's back. Because I stole it.
Fancy bike there.
I stole Robert's bike since he left. Yeah, I ain't had no bike. Mine got stolen.
So you stole his?
Like $300 bike,
You mean
man.
you borrowed his bike?
Pretty much.
Okay.
Without asking.
Yeah. Okay. Want y'all fighting over bicycles?
Bro.
So, get you a couple extra rolls in there. And you put whatever you want to on there. Now I've got some Parmesan cheese. I got salt, pepper. I got garlic salt. And all that.
Thank you.
You just help yourself whatever you need to put on there. And everybody else is gone, huh?
I believe so then,
So
Parker.
I got Richard and Richard. That's Monica, isn't it?
Right. Yes, sir.
And your mother. What was her name?
Ashley.
Ashley. I'm trying to remember this.
Ashley Parker.
Ashley. Oh, what else you need? There's this is all pepper stuff here. And pepper. This is salt, regular salt. This is Tony Sacheria's Creole. This is a good salty Creole. This is a garlic salt.
Oh, I'll take that one.
Yeah, that's good stuff.
Thank you.
Actually, I had a little teeny bowl of that spaghetti. Put that on there and that. Blew me
Yeah,
away.
I
I said they gonna like
Let's
this.
see, I got it. That was the first thing I picked up.
Yeah. I'm gonna ride over there to the water, up to the Walmart, and see if anybody's out there flying a sign.
Alright. I seen Glenn. You know Glenn, right? He's the gray-haired fella.
I'm glad you said Glenn, because I got another guy.
Your eyes got
Michael.
like this.
His name's Michael as well.
For real?
Yeah, and he's over there at the Salvation Army. You got the Goodwill here in the Salvation Army over there. He works at the Salvation Army
How come I've been
and
here this whole
lives right
time
behind
and I
it.
didn't know that there was another guy named Michael around here?
Oh, yeah.
That's
And,
crazy.
Yeah. So I'm not, just by you saying the name, I don't know why, but it just sparked me to think, oh, I gotta go by and feed him. So, but yeah, I'm gonna ride around Walmart, see it there, and then I'm gonna go over there to Salvation Army
Alright.
and try to make sure, because I got new people moving in all the time. I just had a new guy. I think his name's Michael too, and he just came into town. Just got out of prison.
Damn.
So you might have two Michaels.
Oh no. No. We can't have this. I'm gonna have to fix this.
Well, they don't have your last name, so you know it's not a.
It's still
It's
my
not a
first
brother.
name.
It's not a brother from another mother. So we got you taken care of. Don't worry about it.
Perfect. Parker back there?
I need it all.
Look, I ain't dying over food. I might die to eat it, but I ain't gonna die on. I ain't gonna die on protecting it. Ain't nothing. Ain't that worth getting shot over unless it's your family.
Right.
You know. Of course, some of them ain't worth getting shot over either.
Oh, you're right about that.
You got some family members that. No, I was wondering, was your grandpa coming or not? I don't want to leave him.
Yeah, I might need to get him.
Yeah, if he wants to, I'll wait for him. And if you don't want to eat, just let me know. I appreciate it, Michael.
No problem. I do would love one of those hot dogs.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah.
He's coming. He had to lock his tent up so he could come get some food and go right back.
What?
He's a crazy old man.
I should have just fixed you a plate to take to him.
No. Make him come out here.
Yeah, well, that's what I try to do. Try to get everybody to come up.
Right,
I put
you
your,
need to come say hi anyway.
I put you some stuff in that bag right there.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Why, who's that coming here with that
Already
fancy
knew so
looking
well.
setup? I didn't do it.
You got here at third time.
You okay?
You know me so well.
Really okay. Oh, I didn't do it, I promise. I already. No, sir, I'm good. I don't eat that. I try to stay away from the bread and the pastas and the rice and all that stuff.
Yeah?
Because
Iced coffee.
you're still young. I got to worry about this. I used to be diabetic taking shots. Not anymore. Yeah. Yeah, I used to be a lot more heavier than what I am. Oh, shoot. That's me. That's what I used to be.
Oh shit.
I used to be pretty heavy.
Nothing wrong with that.
And, well, it is if you got health issues.
Back there with mom. He was just out here.
Oh, let me get his
a
plate
minute
going.
ago, talking with Miss Boone.
But I don't know.
He had to ride the bike out here too.
Well, that's okay.
To go back.
He's probably around my age.
Alright. Work all night. All night.
Grandpa, how old are you?
59. I was with him.
Oh, okay, so I got you by 4 years.
40.
4 years.
Oh.
No, I just turned 63.
Well, Dan, you look better than me by
I
about
just-
20. Now, had you have a happy birthday?
I did. Did he get?
Uh-huh.
I didn't give you a flashlight, did I?
I didn't see
Hey,
you.
you have any more?
I missed you.
I
Let me tell you
do.
what I did.
I missed you on your
I went over
birthday
there
week.
with Stacy, right? I
And
gave
you
Andy-
so. What? You did not give Andy yours, because I just gave Andy one.
Oh, we got two of them.
Yeah, because he
He
let them.
He want me to come all the way back out here and get his gun. And his
Sorry,
flashlight. I didn't know. I'm not doing that.
Said he gone by now.
Yeah,
I'm crying,
that's
crying.
gone.
He called me.
So I
He
said,
left a message on the phone.
no, he did not.
Yes, he
Where's
did.
flashlight?
Oh,
He said,
Andy will.
hey, I'd like to have one of them flashlights.
I gave him mine, so he shut up.
And I gave him one that had somebody had given me.
Boy, you got a lot of lights.
He wants every light possible.
Yeah.
And Stacy, I didn't want to.
I tried to give him God a few times. He didn't like that
I went to
light.
work one day. Finally got to go to work. I went to work one day and come back and all my shit's gone.
I'm telling you.
That might be his roommate doing that.
He did.
I try to stay out of those quarrels. Because I got to get along with everybody.
There you go.
So,
Hey, you got some something drinking in, Mr. Preacher?
you go open that door right there and look at that big old cooler.
Okay.
Get whatever you need there.
Eddie, you took off? Yes, sir. Ice cold.
Yeah, and there's some waters and stuff in that other cooler. Gotta do it.
Ain't no way you got all that. Huh? You got it all?
All of it?
That was
I filled
thing
a
I
whole
did right
box
there.
up like this. I told you I would do.
a... You showed it. Ain't no way all that.
Ask Eddie.
Eddie don't know what we're all
He
doing.
watched me pull in with this big ass box like this.
He told me you brought one little get that ready.
I know he's joking.
He did say it.
For real?
He's always got an
The box is like this fucking big.
He's always got an ulterior.
Grandpa, you're gonna need a bag.
Sir?
You're gonna need a bag.
A bag?
I mean to put this. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you know, we give you a bag. Hey, now, because we have to put some stuff. I'll get yours here in just a second. I'll get yours. I gave Stacy a plate. Oh, wait a minute. Are you not dealing with Stacy? Okay. I don't know. One day yes, one day no. So I'm sorry. I didn't mean to insult anybody. Or her cat. I gave her two. I gave her 2 cans of cat food. I gave her.
That's an excuse to come back.
Oh.
If you and your excuse to go.
Rich and creamy. I already got one of them.
Give it to him.
I got to lay back on that sugar. Borderline diabetic.
I used to be diabetic taking shots.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
I
wow.
used to be a big boy.
I hear you. Knock the weight off you want.
No. Actually, insulin makes you gain weight.
Oh.
If you get on shots and insulin,
Uh-huh.
you will gain more weight.
Oh.
That ain't no way you're gonna lose it.
Okay.
No. I don't know. Yeah, you will gain it. Okay, let me get you.
Lose no more. I'll be blown away. I done lost about 40 pounds.
Well, you eat some of this. I hope it'll put some.
Sir, you
eat some of
helping,
this.
okay?
Yeah, we're gonna make sure we
Guarantee you.
get some
Yes, sir.
meat
Thank
on
you,
them.
sir, too.
I think that's it. You got your drink.
I do.
You got that.
Yep.
Hey,
Thank you very much.
you thank the Lord. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be here.
Yes, sir.
He's good.
Thank you.
All right.
Hey,
All right,
Mark.
Grandpa, you be good, buddy. I hope you don't mind me calling you Grandpa.
Yeah, they all do.
But that's what they called you. That's why I called you Grandpa. All right. Yeah, I think there's a couple. There you go. Whatever's in there, y'all welcome to it.
Work today, Lord.
I already went over there, fucking helped them move the tub and everything.
You go down there?
I ain't there in the morning.
was earlier. I just got back. Well, I helped Mitch move tubs, and Diego was out there fucking watering the fire. No. I didn't say shit. I didn't even talk to her. I just went to help her. I heard him talking about something out the window, but I couldn't hear exactly what he was saying. Something about you in the window, but they were also asking me where the fuck you were, and I told them that you weren't with me.
Yeah, well, they can say I wasn't with you.
Well, then they asked me why I was there without you. Well, Nick, I was coming to the Dollar General to come get some stuff, and
You want a bag?
I come to see if anybody was here.
Right, let me get your bag.
Car there or something. Well, I was coming to drop Mitch and Diego off. Doing something. What's that new guy's name?
Huh?
What's that new dude's name?
John.
What is it on?
John? Yeah. What you doing here? He is. My brother? I see. Gotta go there. I'll come by later.
Nice bike.
Did you want to put something on this? Did you want to put something on it? I got some Parmesan cheese and I got some garlic salt. I'm gonna let you do it.
Is that fucking bike?
Let's open this thing up. Let's move this stuff off to the side. Open it up so you can put on whatever you want to put on it.
Man, I can't believe Andy did that.
That's all right, I'll give you one.
A brand new one.
Yeah.
Put all you want on there.
I don't think you had no lock on it.
Yeah, it's got a little bike.
You might have to shake it a little bit.
Yeah, right.
See?
That was over there.
And there's garlic salt if you want some.
That's over here.
Well, I didn't know how to get over there.
I remember it being there yesterday. Too.
No, that's not the bike. That's not the mongoose. That is a mongoose. No, mine's red. Bright red.
Oh, no, I don't know about that bike.
Red is
I
bad.
know about the black one.
Yeah, it's not a brand new bike. That's the one I
know
built
that.
over
They
there.
look brand new to me.
Hey, you got any salt right there? Hey, Mr. Preacher, can I get a little bit of that salt?
Yeah, come on, get it. Get it.
Ain't no good for the heart.
That's what I got it there for. You just help yourself.
My man. Ain't no good for the heart.
I didn't give him a flashlight, did I? I didn't give you a flashlight.
No,
last
you
time.
didn't.
You
don't need none.
No, I need it. I need it. Be stole by tonight, but
Andy and Stacy got everybody's flashlight.
I finally got a lock. See how long that's gonna last. Well, that's a nice one too.
It's a USB. You can plug it in and charge it out and all.
Thank you. Yeah, keychain too.
And a bottle of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Top of the
He
line.
does everything that makes a supper for you.
Well, thank you.
I can't believe Andy called him on the phone for a light.
Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I forgot to get the shots.
How long ago
No,
was that,
that was, because I just come from there. When
It's
I
a
was
pocket
coming
watch.
from the shop,
Got some scripture
they
on it.
left. They were leaving
And
out.
so,
And that would
and it's,
be
you
like
just pull it on the red
somewhere
tag
around 20, 30
and
minutes ago.
set it. It's a regular, it's a good watch.
And they were coming.
I've been giving those guys blood because Michael had mentioned about not having any way to tell time and all that. And I figure, it's a nice little watch. You keep hold of it. If you lose it, I can't replace it. I got just so many of these. Grandpa.
Good.
This is the watch. You just put a little red tag there and then you can set the watch. A pocket watch.
Leave my book bag and take the food, you know.
And it's got some scripture on there.
Right, sir. That's
Be your book bag.
probably the best thing I got to do. Trying to keep up with the time.
Well,
rather
that,
have the food.
that flashlight is for your book. Take your book bag. Either the one.
There ain't nothing good other than you want a damn goldfish.
And there's another gift I'm giving out for Thanksgiving.
All right. Well, thank you very much.
Because
Yeah.
Michael had
Stole
mentioned
Robert's
about
bike.
not having anything to tell time.
I've been
Have
stole Robert's
Anything to
bike
tell time.
for the
Right.
day he left.
Well, you got something now.
That's
And I've
right.
had it
Set it
ever
and
since.
it'll take care of
Time is real crucial to me. Thank you.
it. All right.
This is the first time I've actually been here since nighttime.
What you doing, Fuko?
I think I'm about to go do some work.
Huh?
I think I'm about to go do some work.
All right. I think I'm done. I think I'm finished. You okay? You gave you something. Gave you something to eat with. Gave you Pop-Tart.
Yes, sir.
Give you a
all
cinnamon
I gave
treat. Okay. All right. Just want to make sure nobody's left out. I don't want y'all saying, "Here I came, buddy likes me, didn't give me none."
Parker.
Then y'all be picking up rocks and throwing them at me, saying,
The other day.
"He didn't come get me." Today.
Oh,
I already had that happen. So, all right, I'm gonna ride around the
You
wall.
never got me before.
I gotta go that back. I gotta go to the Salvation Army, and I'm gonna
like
drive
this.
around Walmart and see if anybody's flying a
I
sign.
didn't know that chain was that damn that long, bro.
There's always somebody new.
But look, I forgot that at any rate. I just
Oh.
pulled up here and
Oh my God. Thank you.
I turned around to go running and I tripped and I knew it was done. I tripped. I hit something. And all he did is come in there and grab me, tore the, oh man, he tore brand new pants. I mean, he tore this thing, got in the muscle, the meat, and licked his lips and walked right back off home.
oh.
He got me good.
That dog goes the dot place.
He got me good, though. That's what I heard telling. I
He
couldn't even
didn't
ride
even
to work.
ask
I
for
couldn't even go to
toothpick.
work for hours. I couldn't walk.
Is that good enough? You need any more seasoning on that?
I'm fine, sir.
You good? You got you something to drink. Y'all are settled. I'm going out to Walmart, ride around, see if anybody's flying a sign that I missed. Kind of like the first day when I met you back behind the dumpster that
Yeah,
one day.
That's right. You gotta
That's
go
why I
every
ride
day.
around. That's why I ride around and
That's
try
right.
to
When I
look.
just come home, I was in the dumpster.
Yeah. Well, everybody needs a little help.
Hanging out.
You just got out of the hospital not long ago too.
Yeah, I don't know why I still got it on.
Be like me, when I get out, I forget to take it off. I walk around.
But that right there.
Ooh, yeah.
But boy, now after they give me that bag of insulin, it's healing up immediately. Not, I don't know if I said that. What do you call it? The
Antibiotic.
IV bag?
Antibiotics, yeah.
Yeah.
I come back from my mama's. I went to my mama's the other night.
Uh-huh.
I told Bo and them, I said, keep an eye on the dog. You know, oh, we got her. Well, I got
I'm getting
dropped
out.
off, and I get back and I see the rope going in the tent. I look down and I see the collar. The dog's loose.
Oh, no.
So I'm panicking. Come down here, I fly down here, I'm yelling for her. I know she's in the woods chasing something. Go back there, yell for her. I'm not stopping until I find her.
Where was it?
I come right here.
The dog?
Bust her in that corner right there.
She was just
Oh.
walking around.
Running around.
You got a dog? Oh, okay.
Big old pit.
Woo! Well, that's why you're coming over here, and I ain't
Big
going over
aggressive
there.
old
She
pig.
stays hungry.
Yes, he does.
Yeah, and I don't want to be part of the meal. So
I already
I'll have to bring a bag of dog food out now.
It's got me, got him.
Really?
He's very protective.
She gave me a gift.
Well, you need a good dog out here.
She gave me a present.
Just
Well,
let me feed
anything
you
I don't want
away.
stolen. Anything I don't
Where's
want
it at
stolen.
now?
Huh?
Where's it at now? In the tent, locked
That
up?
way.
Got locked up in the tent?
Nuh-uh.
Tied up
Rope.
next.
Anything I don't want stolen, I put by the tent.
I guess that's one way to take care of it.
Anybody come with a mess
How long
around
you
you?
had that? How long you had that dog?
I've had that dog ever since I've been on it.
Really?
This is my buddy's dog, and He was really mean to her.
Oh.
And he just said, man.
He sensed.
Yeah.
Well, they can sense. They can sense you.
When he comes around, he comes to see me or something like that.
Yeah.
I don't treat him like that. Big old baby in me, boys.
If you got him, you need to take care of him.
Yeah. You never treat him right, you have him.
That's absolutely right.
But he's very, very protective of me.
Very good.
If somebody walks up to me and hugs me or puts their arm on me, he goes crazy.
Nah, stay away. Michael, you be good. Y'all. Right hand, don't do no left hand stuff.
You're right.
Yeah. Yeah, you let your right and left hand kind of. And the Bible says not to let your right hand know what your left hand do. But I'd rather let it all just know what's going on.
Give you some dog food.
Right.
So,
Oh, that
anyways,
was a good one.
Get some dog food.
y'all be good.
Dog food.
See you, Grandpa.
Preacher Tom, Preacher Man Tom, so you be safe, man.
Yeah. Yeah, y'all be good.
Don't feed them other ones too much now, not as much as us.
I got to see who's all left, but I do need to go over there and feed the guy over there. Because it was last week's the first time I stopped over there, so I almost forgot about him.
Right.
And his name is Michael. His name is Mike. and the other guy I just met over at the other campsite, he's new, just out of prison, and he said his name was Mike.
We can't.
Well, you're Michael, they're Mike.
Right. But
We call you Michael.
Still, my name starts with Mike. He calls me Mike. It don't. No. I gotta fix this. I'm about to go over there now.
Well, I got a brother
I'll
named
make
Michael.
them change their name.
I got a younger brother named Michael.
No, I'm joking.
Once again, Rick, thank you. Have a good day.
You be good. Y'all stay safe out here.
Me too.
Yeah.
We got
What is that noise? That's a beanbag. You've been shopping. You've been shopping. It'll be good.